కర్ణాటక సింహాద్రి ఎన్టీపీసీ సంగమంలో విలేకరుల సమావేశంలో సమస్త సీజీఎం దివాకర్ కౌశిక్ మాట్లాడుతూ ప్రజలకు సమాచారం చేరవేసే పాత్రలో విలేకరుల పాత్ర చాలా ముఖ్యమైనదని మీకు ప్రత్యేక ధన్యవాదాలని తెలిపారు. సింహాద్రి ఎన్టీపీసీ మహారత్న కంపెనీ అని 21-22 సంవత్సరంలో సంస్థ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చాలా పెరిగిందని, కోవిడ్ సమయంలో పవర్ అవసరం బాగా పెరిగిందని, జెనెటిక్ పవర్ కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నామని మరియు సోలార్ పవర్ ఆగస్టులో స్టార్ట్ చేశామన్నారు. మన ప్లాంట్ చుట్టూ దాదాపుగా 27 గ్రామాలు ఉన్నాయని, ఎన్టీపీసీ నుంచి ప్రతి గ్రామానికి రోడ్లు, వాటర్, స్కూల్స్ కి టాయిలెట్ లాంటి కార్యక్రమాలు సిఎస్ఆర్ నిధుల నుంచి చేస్తున్నామని, ఈ సంవత్సరం 2022-23 సిఎస్ఆర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ నుంచి దాదాపుగా 5 కోట్ల రూపాయలు ఖర్చు చేయనున్నట్లు సీజీఎం వెల్లడించారు. ఎన్టీపీసీ చేసే ప్రతి కార్యక్రమం ప్రజల మధ్యకు వెళ్లటానికి మీడియా పాత్ర ముఖ్యమని, చుట్టుపక్కల గ్రామాలు డెవలప్ చేయటానికి ఎన్టీపీసీ కృషి చేస్తుందన్నారు.
Very happy to see so many people coming from Telugu media to attend this meet. NTPC, as you know, is a Maharatna company, and NTPC Simhadri is one of the best stations of NTPC. And this year, that is in the year 21-22, our performance had been exceptional. We will be showing you a presentation shortly where we will be showing you what we have been doing, how we have been performing in the last year. But post-COVID, the power demand in the country has picked up. So our power generation has also picked up in this year. And from our coal-based units, we have also commissioned our 25 megawatt floating solar power station in the month of August 21. And since then it is performing very well. So now we can say that we are 2025 going to do in this year, which will be first of its kind in the country. That is, we are setting up a demonstration project for power generation from green hydrogen. To elaborate it further, basically this pilot project is meant for the remote locations of the country where the national grid cannot reach. The concept here is that during the daytime we will be generating power from solar, and this power will be used during the daytime to produce hydrogen, which will be stored in the cylinders. And during the night time, same hydrogen will be used to produce power. So during the day as well as during the night, the power will be available at that area, and this power will be directly or indirectly coming from solar power only. So for this demonstration, and this plant will be commissioned in this year, in the year 2022. And as a corporate responsible citizen, corporate responsible, as a part of our corporate social responsibility, we are very much committed towards the development of the area surrounding our plant. We have 27 project affected villages around our plant, and we make it a point that we provide the necessary help, the necessary infrastructure, the necessary skill development. Basically, we arrive at what is to be done in the stakeholders meet. We conduct biannually stakeholders meet at our premises, wherein the local representatives from the villages and PHCs, educational institutes, and representatives from local bodies we invite to that stakeholders meet, and therein we collect their requirements for the coming future. And based on those requirements, we develop our CSR program for the year, and we spend around 5 crores towards CSR activities every year. For this year 2022-23, we have a budget of around more than 4.5 crores, and we are in the process of planning the activities for this year. And as AJ Mehta has also told previously that you, the media people, are our ambassadors for the local community. Whatever work we are doing in the plant, it becomes difficult for us to communicate it to all the people, whether it is villages or whether it is district. So for that we depend entirely upon the media, so that the good work being carried out by us reaches to the masses, and thus brand image of the company is also created in this manner. What we expect from the media in general is that the work which we are doing, power generation is our primary business, but besides power generation, we are doing other works for the society at large. Like last 2 years have been affected by COVID, and we understood that during those times the major requirement of the people was COVID related assistance. And so we have contacted local people, local villages, and whatever work we are doing, we expect that you people carry it to the community around, and we can work together hand in hand. And we also expect that during such media meets or other interaction with our CSR representatives, you people can also communicate to us the requirements of the public at large, or the views of the public towards our company, or expectations of the public from our company, so that the work which is carried out by us, and this way we will be able to complete our role of a socially responsible corporate in a very fulfilling and in a manner. Once again, on behalf of NTPC Simhadri, I welcome you all to this Telugu media meet, and I expect, as we have been working together in the past, we will continue to do so in the future also, and we have been in this area for last 22 years now, and we take you as part of our family only, as our extended arm to the local community. So, keeping this in mind, let us work together towards the development of the area in which we are living, and have a better future for all. Thank you so much.
స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్స్ అన్ని సార్లు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు. అదే మేము మీకు పీపీటీ ద్వారా ఒక 10 minutes
Preference is the local people. If we get the required qualification from the local people, then we give them on priority the employment. But if we don't have the skill required available in the local area, then only we go to the outside the community. Okay. Sir.